Hi, good day. My name is Samantha Marquez. I will present to you my Internet Technology ITEC244 Assignment 1. I've been instructed to code and design a website for a business called Licensing Office using HTML5, PHP, and CSS. The code was done using Visual Studio Code. WAM server was used to display each web page, as well as create the database in PHP First off, I will show you my code. I start off with my home page, home.html. I created a logo for the licensing office. As you can see, it will be displayed here, as well as I have a link to my external CSS file for styling. In my navigation, I have an ordered list for the navigation on each web page, as well as two div classes to separate and style the links on either side of the page for my preference. Register and login will be on the left side, and latest additions and contact us will be on the right side, as well as whatever page is corresponding. On the rest of the home page, we have a little about us, about the business. Lower down, we have a table showing all the services that will be offered in the business. At the end, a link to the contact us page. Next, we have registration. Same beginning as the home page. Then I have two forms that will accept data to be stored in the clients table in my licensing office database. Just general personal information and basic information on each driver client. I have the register PHP that will push the data to be stored within the database. I use my SQL real escape string to prevent SQL interjection. I learned this from W3 Schools. The link is there. As well as I use hashing for my password to have it more secure within the database. Created a target directory so that the images will be stored within the database. Next, I have my login page, basic login form, but it's non-functional. It will not be saved. The information inputted will not be pulled from the database. It will just go straight back into the login page, which will create a loop to show that the page is not working. Latest additions. This is where the last 3 drivers that have registered would be shown. On this page, it pulls the information that was stored in the database. I had issues pulling the stored images from the database. Next, we have the contact us, basic contact us form so that users can contact the business. There's also the general contact information, phone, email address, as well as news and updates. Contact us PHP to store the information within the database. Here is my styles of CSS to show the formatting of the web pages. Now I will show you the web page of the home. This is our home page. As said, I created the logo and kept a general black and white format throughout the entire website. Next, I'll go to my register page, then my login page. unable to log in at the moment, please check back later. On each page, there will be a link back to the home page, latest additions, which shows you 3 recent drivers inputted. As stated, profile photos that were saved will not be showing up because I couldn't get that code to work. Next, I have contact us. This is the contact us page. Now I will show you my PHP admin. This is the licensing office database. These are the tables I have saved within the database as a little trial for assignment 2, final project. But for now, we're going to go into clients. As you can see, the 3 saved clients. Next, we have, I will be showing you how it's being saved into the database. So we'll go back to the website, register. We'll register a new client called Ada Lovelace. And by choosing a file to upload picture, I have a saved picture of Ada right here. It will be saved in the database, but will not be able to pull it from the database. You can see register, new record has been created. I'll show you my PHP, my admin, refresh it. As you can see, Ada Lovelace has been added to the database. Profile pictures have been saved. And let's go to the latest additions. As you can see, Ada Lovelace has been saved and is being pulled from the database to be shown on the latest additions. Now I would show you that my login page is not working. So we put in Ada's information, press login, redirect it back to this page, and it is unable to log in at the moment. Please check again later. For the next step, I'm going to show you that we can edit. As you can see on latest additions, the first one is Ada Lovelace. So we'll go here and say, for example, Ada's last name is not Lovelace, it's Lovey, right? So we change her last name and we press go to save it. Here to save as Ada Lovey, come back to the website, refresh. It's been changed to Ada Lovely. Okay. To answer questions from what Miss wanted, what would you have liked to include, change if you had more time? As stated, I would really love to get all the profile photos to be pulled and displayed onto the web page correctly. I tried previously different sources to try to get it to work. YouTube videos, couldn't get it. At one point I forgot how to make comments, so I had to research it, but as you can see on each page, I have comments describing everything. Next, on a scale from 1 to 10, how difficult was this assignment? I would say it was a 7. It was not too difficult. It was everything easily done. Do you think all the knowledge required in the assignment was covered in class? Yes, it was. Everything was taught by Miss perfectly. And that is it for my assignment. Thank you very much for viewing my video and have a good day.